Hi, in this video I'll demonstrate how to make a coil pot. To make a coil pot you'll need some clay, cutting wire, some hand building tools, a rolling pin and some water and a sponge. To get started, cut some clay off your block . And roll out a pad of clay for the base of your pot. Trace around a container for accuracy. And then cut out your slab with a knife. It's also a good idea to work from a sketch, so you know when to start altering your form. A side profile drawn and cut out of cardboard helps to build to scale and maintain the correct form. Then take some clay and start rolling out some coils. Rolling out even coils can take a bit of practice. You can roll from one side to the other, or you can roll from the centre to the other end. I usually roll out quite a few coils to have them ready to hand build with. If you're a slow hand builder, then cover your coils with a bit of plastic so they don't dry out. Then place your first coil on top of your base. Overlap the end and cut through on an angle. Blend the clay onto the base using your fingers or a wooden modelling tool. Attach the next coil and do the same. Blend the clay in at the join, both inside and out. If your clay is still soft, then you do not need to score the joins. However, if you feel that your coils have dried out a little, to facilitate a good bond, you can score your coils with a serrated kidney or a wet fork. To create different forms, you can belly out your vessel by angling the coils out, and to bring the form back in, you can angle the coils inwards. As you coil build, pay particular attention to the base of your vessel. Are any parts of your pot sagging? If so, then slow down your building. Let the coils underneath dry a little. This will create stability and strength for the next coil. I recommend that you work on 2 coil pots at a time, alternating between the two, giving each time to dry as you work on them. Thank you for watching, and be sure to catch the next chapter on slab building.
For more information, go to the UNSW Art and Design website.